Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? It's Skiller85 back with another unboxing, and this time as you can see it's the new Super Mario Bros.U Deluxe, which is a tongue twister. So yeah, it's Sunday today and I just picked this up. Obviously this came out on Friday. So yeah, obviously as you can see on the front you got Mario, Peach, Luigi, Yoshi, some of the Goombas, and yeah, so that's cool. But yeah, this has apparently got 164 courses on it, so it's spread over Super Mario Bros. U and Luigi U. So yeah, I didn't really play this on the Wii U, but I'm quite looking forward to playing this. So there's the side, and there's the back. All-time classic Super Mario, anytime, anywhere of anyone, up to 4 players. And obviously, they're like a little session, so that's cool. New Toadette transforms into Peachette, which apparently has caused some controversy. So yeah, it includes 164 courses. You got some pictures there. And yeah, there's your play route. So inside we have a world map, so that's pretty groovy. And the cart itself. So yeah, that's it guys, for my quick unboxing of new Super Mario Bros.U Deluxe on the Nintendo Switch. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos, but for now guys, I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.